What is your most interesting encounter with the police? I took my toddler to a friend's house to play. When leaving, I put her in her car seat and tried to open my door, but it swung shut immediately. Confused, I looked closer and noticed someone had hit my car right at the door hinge, leaving straight white lines across my blue paint. I took my daughter out and went back to tell my friend someone had hit my car and fled. That's when her son, who wasn't even 3 years old, piped up, "I saw a car hit your car." When I asked him about it, this tiny kid not only told me it was white but gave me the exact make and model. See, he owned over 500 toy cars and knew every single one by heart. Then came the shocking part. The little boy looked out the window, pointed across the street, and said, "There's the car." Sure enough, there it was, parked right there. I called the police to report the hit and run. The officer arrived quickly, and I explained everything. After inspecting both cars, he knocked on the neighbor's door. The man denied everything, but the officer made him back his car up to where mine was hit. The white lines matched his bumper perfectly. You should have seen the officer's face when I told him our key witness, the person who solved this hit and run, was a toddler who could identify any car thanks to his toy collection. A little boy's obsession